Hello. Today's theme is all about my doggy. So this little one, I love him. We got him 2 years ago. Okay. We don't know when we got him, but it was close to Christmas, like November probably. So, we got him 2 years ago. He had a brother that we split apart, and I'm sorry. But he has a brother, and his brother wasn't the same color as him. So they weren't exactly related, but it was his real brother. His brother's color was like brown with a little bit of like streaks of black hairs, but he's white. This little one is white, black, and brown, like his eyebrows are brown. And what I said to my mom is that they found him on the streets, actually. I think. No, they found him with my stepdad's brother. Stupid. So what I said to my mom is, oh my god, my neck is so itchy. My neck is so itchy. So that the mom of him could be my sister's, that's right here, not the one that sleeps on this bed because I sleep on that bed. But yesterday night I did not stop it. You're hitting me with that. Stop. Miranda, I kicked her out of my club, and she is now not my assistant anymore. So yeah. Just playing with some sticky wicky stuff. And some, I didn't put up, but it's not food. It's something for your ears since I have ear infections. So, we got him 2 years ago, as you know. So the mom of him could be hers. The dad of him could be my brother's, brother. Not my other brother that's 24 and that is not married yet. Like my 14-year-old brother could be. I can have Oscar, and his brother could be my sister's that sleeps on this bed.
Sorry, did I scare you?
So sad. Creepy. I love you. I love you. Oh, you like that spot? You like that spot? You like that spot? Yeah. Lemon chips by right here. I love you. His name is Otsko Watsko, and his thingy has my mom's number on it. So he's pretty trained. If you don't give him sit now. See? There you go. But he the only thing that he would do is sit. He's not really trained. We had another puppy named Bruno, but we sold him, give him away. Don't look at me. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm going to do the shoutouts at the end of this video. Okay, you're not there yet. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh. And then mix it with some perfume. Yeah. Good thing I didn't get my phone. It's like so close to my phone. It's not glitter. Oh, yeah.
You better find my makeup bag.
I do not put on. Is it right there? Does it have roses on it? No. What does it look like?
That's a big bag.
I don't put. Is that it?
No.
Well, last time I saw it, it was like that. So, yeah. nom, 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 nom. Now that my dog is 14, it's really sad that he is not a puppy anymore. Transform into a puppy. He's a really playfully doggy. I love you. I really, really love you. He's a really playful dog. He looks like a puppy, but he's not. His tail is real small. So yeah. Since this thing is not almost to 15, but once it was at 15, I could not upload that video, so I can't do it in like 2 hours.
So you're blaming me for something that you lost. It's not a little juvenile. I mean, what's next?
I love you. You come here. I love you. We mostly put them on our. Oh, you're sticky. Why are you sticky? Did you get yourself dirty? You need a bath, little boy. We haven't took you a bath. I love you. So we have special dog things, but since he cannot go outside anymore because he's been like getting bit up, and like horrible things have been happening to him. There, is it gone? Horrible things have been happening to him. Since he still isn't a puppy, but we may have to like buy more pee pads. Since when he was a puppy, because he cannot go outside anymore. Since he's been like getting bit up by mosquitoes or something, and his hands are getting red, and I don't know, his paws red. So yeah. Oh, did you poop on your hair? So yeah, that's my video. Because I cannot make long videos anymore.
Gigi,
Probably.
Camila.
So the shout outs that go to are hold on, let me try to remember them. I just forgot.
Where'd it go?
I don't know what it is. Okay, I remember. The shout outs could be to My Simply Little Pleasures one. My Simple Little Pleasures, because I love her nail art. And then the second one is to. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, the second one goes to Rosina Pianzo, because I love her work. I always watch her video. And the third one goes to My Life as Ava. So you can go and subscribe to them, like their videos, and comment. And I hope you watch them. Bye!